let's move to naman, ano yung kailangan nating makita, no? In assessing. Or ganun din po para sa ating mga guro. What are the performance measure for classroom observable indicators and non-classroom observable indicators? So for classroom observable indicators, ayan po, imi-measure po natin both, no? Both the quality, ayan, quality and efficiency. So it will be measured throughout the full period of classroom observable. For non-classroom observable indicators, only quality shall be measured through assessment of available means of verification. Okay, so yan po yung mga titingnan natin sa COIs and NCOIs. Now, let's move to computation of rating. Okay, so in the PMES guidelines po, all indicators or all objectives 1 to 14 has been provided with equivalent weight percentage, which is 7.143% each indicator, totaling to yan, 100% po. Okay? Now, ito yung pinaka-importante po. Now that we know that meron po siyang equal percentages of weight, let's move to computation of rating. First one ay yung for classroom observable indicators. Ayan. Sa mga may ginagawa po, focus muna po tayo dito. Okay? Sige po. So, meron po tayong, kanina po no, doon sa pinakita ko sa slide, meron po tayong tinatawag na repeating objectives. Kasi lalo-lalo na po kung hahatiin po, no, ang pinili nyo po ay yung option A, which is 2 full periods. So, the final rating shall be computed by averaging the quality rating. So, nandun din po ito sa tool. So, halimbawa po, yan, look at this. Si Teacher 3, ang gamit niya po ay proficient tool. Ang pinili niya po ay option A, meaning 2 beses po siya na obserbahan. So, yung first, ayan. So, yung COT rating sheet 1 niya, ayan. Ang first rating niya po sa same objective or indicator ay 6. And then, yung pangalawang rating niya po doon sa same indicator po ay 5. So, i-convert po muna natin siya into the PMES rating. Ayan. Sorry. Meron po tayong tinatawag na PMES 5-point rating scale. So, yung 6, ang equivalent niya po ay 4. And then the 5, ang equivalent niya po ay 3. So, pag in-average po iyan, lalabas po dyan ay 3.5. Then, saka lang po natin siya ipapasok po doon sa PMES rating transmutation table, which is nandun din po sa interim guidelines. So, ang final rating niya would be for this repeating objective ay 4, which is very satisfactory. So, hindi po siya directly averaging. This is for repeating objectives. Same goes with Master Teacher 2, yung highly proficient tool din naman. So, kung may dalawa po siyang rating, hanapin po muna natin yung PMES 5-point rating scale. So, yun po yung bibigyan natin siya ng score. And then, yung 5-point scale rating na dalawa, yun po yung i-average, not the 2 COT rating. Nasusundan po? Thumbs up nga kung nasusundan po. Okay. Thumbs up. Ayan. Sige, nag-hands up sila. Sige po. So, after the 5-point rating scale, yun ang i-average natin. And then once we got the average, titingnan po natin yung PMES transmutation table. So ito, case nito, 3.5 din. So yung score niya dito, final PMES rating for quality is 4. Okay? Clear po? Sige. So now, let's move naman to the ayan, COI. Especially yung efficiency naman. Sa efficiency po, no? Tingnan natin ang efficiency. So sa efficiency, ayan. So again, this is for repeating objectives, no? Especially sa 2 full periods classroom observation. So halimbawa, yung first full period observation 1, yung rating sa efficiency po ni teacher ay 5, no? And then yung second observation niya, yung rating niya ay 3. Okay? So sa efficiency, direct averaging na po natin siya. Okay? Pero if you look at average, so titingnan niyo na po dyan. So kung ang average niya po ay nag-fall, let's say, in this example, yung average niya, yung 5 plus 3 divided by 2 ay 8, and then divide 2, then 4 po yung average niya. So nagfo-fall po siya sa efficiency final rating na 5. Okay? Kung halimbawa naman po, nag-fall yung average ni teacher. So if this is for efficiency, kanina, diniscuss po natin equality. For efficiency, halimbawa, nag-fall siya sa 3.1.5. Ano po ang efficiency final rating niya? Okay. So, 3 po ang final rating niya. So, yung PMS rating efficiency, so kung 5, 5 outstanding. Okay? Nakita niyo po yung difference ng dalawa between quality, repeating objectives, and this one that I'm discussing, efficiency, repeating objectives po. Difference sa dalawa? Sige nga po, pakita nga po ng thumbs up, hindi po raise hand. Thumbs up po, thumbs up kung naiintindihan na po yung dalawa. Ayan, hindi ko makita yung thumbs up. Sige, now, ito punta na po.